Echo-san! Oh, fuck. Great start. Oh, I remember one thing I wanted to tell you guys. I saw something today. A clip of Takanashi Kiara-chan. And I've noticed one thing, guys. 今日ね、たまたまクロエちゃんの切り抜き見たんですけど、とあることに気づきました。I have the same pajamas that she has. Exactly the same. I saw that sleeve and I'm like, yo, my pajamas look exactly the same. And that's actually, I have several pajamas, of course, but that one I think I got in Japan, which explains why we have the same one. Yeah, blue one with the hearts on the sleeve, the red hearts. 実はね、クロエちゃんが着てたパジャマ、私も持ってて、オスロッチってめっちゃびっくりした。日本で買ったパジャマだから。Yeah, pajama buddy! So, if I go back to Japan, you know, I could say, let's have a pajama party in the same pajamas, but I heard she's very stinky, so... Just kidding. I heard she doesn't take baths, and she's stinky. I don't know how true that is, though.